I already spill the juice and get into some reality TV news. Izingane zesithembu guysini. Yo, can we all address Usne? Right? I believe Uguti Usne, personally, I believe Uguti Usne is wounded. I believe Uguti Usne, there are things that she wishes she could do with her dad, and then there are things that Abo is doing with the dad that she's unable to. I also think Kuti Loki, the interview that Abo had about him being in the same WhatsApp group with his father and mother, and there they discuss everything Abongwe, is also upsetting to Usne. When Sne realized that how is Abo being treated like this and I'm not, maybe it also ukabon, because I think Uguti Usne, fine, Umama Kushonile, right? But she is raised by Umacele, and Umacele, rightfully so, Umawaki. And therefore, she believes that the treatment would be the same. Little does she know, the treatment will never be the same. But Ugel needs to heal. I think Usne honestly needs some serious therapy, some serious healing, because wabona when it comes to this one, I don't see her winning it. Ukuthi hey ngiyathandwa, hey Usne lesi, hey uAbo this, hey ubaba Magasa existing. Like, what does Umseleku supposed to do? Because this guy has like a million children. So if you can't fit yourself and find your place in the 11 million, how will others do? Abo found a way. Why can't Usne do it? But I think Uguti no, here they're fighting because they're from the same home. But yeah, I don't know. You tell me what you think. And while you're at it, please do like, share, and subscribe.